make sure you hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video. Hey, I've always wondered about where does the Easter Bunny come from, or why do we have the Easter Bunny, or who is the Easter Bunny? Anyway, today, while I'm creating a drawing of an Easter Bunny, I'm going to talk about the history of the Easter Bunny. So I want you to like, subscribe, watch my whole video, share it with a friend, and remember, come back again. Every year on Easter, legend has it that a long-eared cottontail creature comes to deliver festive baskets full of treats, toys, and delicious candy to children, and even lays colorful eggs for them to find. Among other Easter traditions, like hot cross buns and egg hunts, the Easter Bunny has long been a well-known popular symbol associated with the religious holiday. But have you ever wondered about the Easter Bunny's origins, or how exactly the cute, fluffy woodland creature became such a prevalent symbol of Easter? Surprisingly, there's a lot of history behind the mythical story of an egg-bearing rabbit on Easter Sunday. And it's not just because he's cute. The Easter Bunny actually has a long-rooted history with the Christian holiday, and even in pagan traditions. Here's what to know about the fascinating origins of the Easter Bunny. Before you welcome the holiday with chocolate rabbits and plenty of bunny-shaped treats, including where the character comes from and why he's associated with Easter eggs and how he became such a beloved symbol of the holiday over the years. Well, the Bible has no mention of a mythical hare who delivers eggs to children on the day of Jesus Christ's resurrection. So how exactly did the Easter Bunny become a prominent symbol of Christianity's most important holiday? One theory, according to Time, is that the symbol of the rabbit stems from the ancient pagan tradition to have started the celebration of Easter, the festival of Estrella, which honored the goddess of fertility and spring. Supposedly, the goddess's animal symbol was a rabbit. And for how the specific character of the Easter Bunny originated in America, History.com reports that it was first introduced in the 1700s by German immigrants in Pennsylvania, who reportedly brought over the tradition of an egg-laying hare named Osterhase. As the story goes, the rabbit would lay colorful eggs as gifts to children who were good. So kids would make nests in which the bunny could leave his eggs, and would sometimes leave out carrots in case the hare got hungry. Eventually, the custom spread across America to become a widespread Easter tradition. And over time, the fabled bunny's delivery even expanded from eggs to include other treats such as chocolate and toys. So why does the Easter Bunny bring eggs? Well, since rabbits are mammals, and thus giving birth to live young, you might be wondering why exactly the Easter Bunny is said to lay eggs on a holiday. The answer may be simple, as the fact that eggs, like the rabbit, have long been an ancient symbol of fertility, rebirth, and new life, all things associated with springtime and the celebration of Easter. What does the Easter Bunny look like today? Well, today, the Easter Bunny is traditionally depicted as a white rabbit, costumed with long ears, often wearing clothes in human-like fashion. He can typically be found at Easter parades and other celebratory events for the holiday, carrying a basket filled with colorful eggs, candy, and other treats to give out to kids, like Santa Claus on Christmas. Interestingly, it's not always a bunny that brings the Easter eggs in countries outside of the United States. In Australia, for example, the spring holiday is greeted with Easter Billy, a rabbit-like marsupial native to Australia that's known to be in danger. Other animals include the Easter cuckoo in Switzerland, and in some parts of Germany, the Easter fox or the Easter rooster. It's interesting to find out that there are so many different traditions for celebrating the Easter coming all over the world. But frankly, I'm satisfied with our long-eared friend, and I recall many a Saturday night not being able to sleep, anxiously awaiting for the morning to get up and to go downstairs and to see and to dig in my Easter basket. And I hoped I had been a good boy so that I got a basket that was filled with everything from chocolate bunnies to chocolate Easter eggs, colorful eggs, jelly beans, and all kind of other goodies. I would like to thank you for coming to watch my video today. I would hope that you hit that like button. That's the thumbs up. And if you feel like it, write a comment. Let me know how you felt about the video. I would love to hear from you. And make sure that if you really like it, subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications for when my new videos come out. And you can always share it with a friend. Have a happy Easter. Bye-bye.